What really causes cancer? Understanding the risks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling an important and often misunderstood topic, cancer. What really causes cancer and how can we better understand the risks? We'll break it down in simple terms, so stick around for the next 6 minutes as we explore the key factors behind this complex disease. Let's start by understanding what cancer is. Cancer is not just one disease, but a group of diseases that occur when abnormal cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. But what triggers this uncontrolled growth? Let's break it down. Many factors can contribute to cancer, and it's a combination of genetics, environmental influences, and lifestyle choices. Let's look at the main causes and risk factors. Genetics and family history. First up, genetics. Some people may inherit genes that increase their risk of certain cancers. These inherited mutations are responsible for about 5 to 10% of all cancers. For example, mutations in the BRCA1 or BRCA2 genes can increase the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. But just because you have a family history doesn't mean you'll automatically develop cancer. Genetics only increase the risk. They don't determine the outcome. Environmental factors. Next, we have environmental factors. These are the substances we come into contact with in our everyday lives, and some of them can increase the risk of cancer. Exposure to chemicals like tobacco smoke, industrial pollutants, or even radiation can damage DNA in cells, leading to cancer. For example, smoking is one of the leading causes of lung cancer, and excessive sun exposure can increase the risk of skin cancer. Lifestyle choices. Now, let's talk about lifestyle choices. What we eat, how active we are, and whether we smoke or drink can all play a role in cancer development. Let's start with diet. A diet high in processed foods, red meats, and unhealthy fats can increase the risk of certain cancers like colorectal cancer. On the flip side, a healthy diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help lower your cancer risk. Obesity and physical activity. Obesity is another major risk factor. It's linked to several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and liver cancer. Staying active and maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce your cancer risk. Alcohol and tobacco use. Tobacco use and excessive alcohol consumption are two of the most preventable cancer risks. Smoking is strongly associated with cancers of the lung, throat, and mouth, while drinking alcohol raises the risk of cancers like liver, breast, and colon. Infections and viruses. Another factor that's often overlooked is infections. Certain viruses and bacteria are linked to specific types of cancer. For example, the human papillomavirus, HPV, is associated with cervical cancer, while the hepatitis B and C viruses can lead to liver cancer. Even the bacteria Helicobacter pylori can cause stomach cancer. Aging and hormonal factors. As we age, the risk of developing cancer increases. Our cells accumulate damage over time, and the body's ability to repair that damage decreases. Plus, certain hormonal changes can influence cancer risk, like higher levels of estrogen in women, which can increase the risk of breast cancer. That's why cancers like prostate cancer and breast cancer are more common as people get older. It's all part of the aging process, but that doesn't mean there's nothing we can do to minimize the risks. So, What does all of this mean? While some risk factors like genetics can't be changed, many of the lifestyle and environmental factors can be managed. A healthy diet, regular physical activity, avoiding tobacco and excess alcohol, and minimizing exposure to harmful chemicals can all help reduce your cancer risk. Prevention is key. Prevention is key. By making small, positive changes to your daily habits, you can significantly lower your risk of cancer. To recap, cancer is caused by a mix of genetic, environmental, lifestyle, and age-related factors. While we can't control everything, we can definitely take steps to protect our health. Talk to your doctor, get regular screenings, and stay informed about your personal risk factors. I hope this video helped you understand what causes cancer and how we can reduce our risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health-related content. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Text on screen. Subscribe for more.